Hello, so today we are starting with the last module, module 6, software vulnerabilities. So in this module, we have the following topics in the syllabus. The first is the buffer overflow, format string, cross-site scripting, SQL injection, and then we learn about the various malwares, which are viruses, worms, trojans, logic bombs, bots, rootkits. So just refer the syllabus before we start with the video. So first and foremost, we will be starting with the topic malicious software. The short form is malware. So malicious software is basically a software where an attacker can get partial or full control of the program. The attacker will then be free to do anything that he or she wants to do. सो देखो मेलिशियस सॉफ्टवेयर इज बेसिकली हम कोई वायरस या वर्म बेसिकली ये सब मेलिशियस सॉफ्टवेयर ही होते हैं जो हम विक्टिम के कंप्यूटर में इंजेक्ट करते हैं विक्टिम के डिवाइस में जिसकी वजह से हमें उसका पार्शियल या फुल कंट्रोल मिल जाएगा वो पर्टिकुलर डिवाइस का सो अलग अलग तरीके के मेलिशियस सॉफ्टवेयर है तो कुछ के हम एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं जैसे सबसे पहला है बॉटनेट सो बॉटनेट इज बेसिकली अ नेटवर्क ऑफ zombies वी कैन से ठीक है सो व्हाट हैपेंस इन दिस इज बेसिकली जो अटैकर होता है वो काफी सारे zombies को बेसिकली हैक कर लेता है या बेसिकली उनको कंट्रोल करता है तो अलग अलग कंप्यूटर्स है और ये सबको अटैकर ने कंट्रोल किया हुआ है और ये सब जो है अब एक्चुअली जो विक्टिम है उसको एक साथ अटैक करेंगे तो ये छोटे छोटे अटैक्स बट कंटिन्यूअस एंड साइमल्टेनियस अटैक्स ये जो होता है बेसिकली इसे हम बॉटनेट बोलते हैं So it's basically a network of zombies that is obviously compromised computers under the control of an attacker. So one is botnet. Let me talk about the other type of malicious software. The other we can say is a Trojan horse. So basically ये क्या होता है तो ये बेसिकली एक काम का चीज होता है हमको लगता है कि चलो हम कंप्यूटर या इंटरनेट से कोई एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम डाउनलोड करते हैं जो हमारे काम का और ऑब्वियसली वो वर्क भी करेगा इट वुड बी अ समथिंग समथिंग लाइक अ यूजफुल कोड और अ फंक्शन बट देयर विल बी सम malicious कोड which will be hidden and it will hamper the performance of the computer. Obviously, some useful information or some private information can also be stolen. So, such a type of computer program or such a type of malware is called Trojan horse. After that, there is something called as logic bomb. So, what is logic bomb? It is basically denial of service. So, it is generally used in DOS attacks or denial of service attacks. When some specified conditions are met, it activates the malicious program logic. So that's why the name logic bomb. So only when some certain conditions are met, that time it will initiate itself or execute itself, thereby damaging the system resources. So such type of programs are called logic bomb. Similar is a time bomb. So as the name suggests, when a particular time is reached, it will activate or initialize itself, and because of this, the system performance would be affected. Then there is another malware which is rabbit type. So it basically reproduces itself a number of times, and it will exhaust the resources. So it's like a worm, we can say, where it replaces itself again and again and again, and thereby it will exhaust the resources of the victim computer. Now there is another which is called as trapdoor or backdoor. So in this type of malicious software, basically we try to analyze all the system parameters and the different devices, and we try to find a loophole, and by taking advantage of that loophole, we enter the system, we try to gain access. So such type of malicious software are trapdoor attacks or backdoor attacks. So these are the different types of malicious softwares. Obviously, we'll be studying about a few of them in detail as we go on in this module. So far I guess one topic like malicious software is clear. So if you are asked in exam, write a short note on malicious software. You can start with malicious software is basically when an attacker can get partial or full access with the help of this. And there are various types of malicious softwares, and they are as follows. So you can explain each of them in 2 or 3 lines. Botnet is like a network of bots or zombies where the attacker has control of a number of bots, and they do continuous small attacks on the actual victim. Trojan horse is something which is like a useful code or a program, but it will have some malicious code as well. And because of that, whenever that gets executed, the system will be hampered. Logic bomb gets initiated only when a certain conditions are met, and once it gets initiated, it can harm the performance. So, same thing with time bomb. Rabbit will replace itself a number of times, and thereby it will hamper the progress. So it's more like a denial of service attack. Trapdoor, backdoor is basically when we examine the various conditions and components to try to find a loophole or a flaw, and by making use of that, we can gain access to the computer. So I guess this topic is clear. In the next video, we will be seeing the different types of worms and viruses. Thank you.